Getting ready to trade today. I thought, oh, I'm doing all this work. Really, not that much work. It was probably 20 minutes of work, but putting together this kind of list of a watch list to prepare for today's trading session. And I said, why not just create a YouTube series where I share my watch list every day so that you guys can take advantage of it as well. And so that's what this is. It's going to be really short. Probably not going to have too many viewers since I don't plan on making this kind of announced every week or every day. I'm just going to do it every morning, and you guys can feel free to catch it if you like to do so. So today we're going to go through kind of 9 names total. 2 names that I had on the watch list yesterday. I looked at the earnings this morning and had surprise to the downside, and so I won't be looking at them anymore. A reminder that the main strategy that I'm talking about so far is the bull flag / pennant strategy for my $100 trading challenge. If you haven't watched my lessons or trading challenge videos, I highly recommend you watch those to understand this further. But this is week 2 of the trading challenge. I had used 3 day trades last week, so today is the first day I can day trade again, and so I'll be entering a position if I find any good setups. I'm not looking for any short plays due to the potential risk involving shorting, but if I find a very good pump and dump situation and setup, then I may use very, very small amounts of capital to play that. Reminder, always have a catalyst and a trading plan. For each trade, look for an entry on the second leg of the bull flag or pennant that forms. Do not force any trade. I'm going to be mainly looking for uptrends, and make sure to check volume and market cap, which you can check on the candlestick chart for the volume, and then the analyze tab in ThinkorSwim for the fundamentals to understand the market cap before trading any company, because low volume and small market cap companies are easily manipulated. Now, something I won't be discussing here is that I will always be keeping an eye on top movers in order to find any potential other plays, especially if you're trading options. We're not going to haven't talked about it yet in my channel, but this Saturday we'll be talking about options, at least the first lesson. Don't trade earnings with options. Day trading earnings on options with options is very dangerous because of IV crush. Now that makes sense. That doesn't make sense to my viewers yet, but hopefully will soon. And all the source information for this stuff is found on Earnings Whispers, which you can find for free. A reminder that everything you said on these videos is my opinion only and based on my trading experience and is for educational purposes only. Trading is very risky. Nothing I say is advice or recommendation. Please read the description and trade at your own risk. Now, here are the 9 companies I'll be looking at. Acadia Healthcare, they have an earnings call this morning at 9 a.m. They surprised up on the upside by 13.5% for EPS, but down 1.6%, which is, if anything, means margins got better, so something to look at potentially. Hey, Chris, welcome. Avis Budget Group surprised by 31.7% on the upside. Call is at 7 a.m. this morning. Realty Income Corporation is a REIT, and they surprised 3.5%. Call at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time this morning, or today, surprisingly, even though their earnings came out last night at 4 o'clock. Shake Shack, you obviously know that's a big company, so you probably don't need to understand the fundamentals, but just met earnings expectation. Hey, Austin, and revenue about, and have a earnings call yesterday at 5 o'clock. Skyworks Solutions, about meeting expectations, had a call yesterday at 4:30. Wyndham Hotel surprised the upside by a ton, by 61.3% on the EPS, and then revenue by 5. Call this morning at 8:30 a.m. Feel free to use this video as a summary page to come back to if you want to look for potential opportunities to keep track of. And then earnings that came out this morning before market open were Regeneron Pharmaceuticals surprised upside by 20.4%. Call is going to be at 8:30, which is happening right now. Lending Tree 11.1%, call at 9, and then U.S. Foods at up 9.1% surprise, call at 11. And you can also see kind of the 2 names that I crossed off that I originally had in my list, which is NRZ, New Residential, which is another REIT, and then also Cisco, which is a food service distributor, kind of like U.S. Foods. All right, just want to keep this short and sweet, and good luck trading today. May volatility be ever in your favor. Best of luck, guys.